Hi! In this video, I'll tell you all about the Zapier integration in Yoast SEO Premium. Zapier is an automation platform that lets you connect apps and build workflows. The Zapier integration in Yoast SEO Premium lets you automatically share your WordPress content on your preferred platform. So, this will help you automate repetitive, boring tasks and save you some precious time. So let's get to it and see how it works. My goal will be to connect Yoast SEO and Twitter, so that every time I publish a new post on my site, it will automatically also create and send a tweet in Twitter. I can do that by creating a so-called zap in Zapier. A zap is a workflow that connects different apps together, in this case, Yoast SEO and Twitter. Let me walk you through the process. I will start in the WordPress backend, then go to Yoast SEO and click the Integrations menu item. Now let's enable the Zapier integration by clicking this toggle over here. You will see this new button appear right here to connect to Zapier, and that's what we're going to do, so let's click it. Okay, now here you will see 3 steps. First, you need to copy your API key. Step 2 is to log into your Zapier account to create your first zap. If I click the Create a Zap button, that will take me to zapier.com. Now, I already logged into my account, so I'll be taken to the place to create zaps right away. But if you need to create an account or log in, the steps on the screen will guide you through it. Once you're here, in the Zaps menu item, click on one of the buttons that allow you to create a new zap. So this one, or this one, or this one. Now, we are on this new screen, which says that we need to create a trigger. The trigger, in this case, will be the publishing of a post with Yoast SEO. I will look for the app here by typing Yoast SEO, and then I will select it. And now we need to make sure that the trigger event is New Published Post. So let's select it here. Great. In the following step, I will need to connect with Yoast SEO. This is where I will use that API key I copied earlier. So let's connect a new account. And in this new pop-up window, I'll add the URL of my site. And I will paste the API key. Okay, that's done, and this window is gone. What comes next? Testing the trigger. That means that Zapier will check if it's getting the right information from the site I just connected it with. Let's find out. I'll click the button, and here's the proof I needed. Zapier found my last post. I can also see some data about it, like the title and the author. Now that I know that Zapier is well connected to Yoast and my site, let's just add Twitter and we'll be done. I'll click Continue and then move on to the action. First, I will look for the app by typing in Twitter here. Here it is. Let's select it. And then I will need to choose what happens on my Twitter account when I publish a post on my site. So I'll click on the drop-down menu below Event to choose the action that will follow the trigger. Since I want to have an automatic tweet sent out, the option Create Tweet is a good fit. Good, I'll select it and click Continue. To connect to my Twitter account, I will need to sign in. So I will just follow the steps on the screen. And here it is. The account is now added to the action. So I know it's connected. Let's click Continue and move on. In this next window, I can choose what I want the automated tweet to show. I will click on the empty space in the message to see the available options. I want my message to be descriptive of the post, so I will use the Open Graph description. And then I will select the image as well by clicking the Open Graph image URL. Great. Let's click Continue. Finally, I can test the zap by clicking Test and Continue. Or if you want, you can also skip testing. I choose to test it, so now Zapier is informing me that the tweet was sent successfully. Let's check it out. Yes, that's great. Here's the tweet with the message and the image, just like I set it up. Now I will just click Publish Zap, and we're done. And that's it, my Zap was created. So now every time I publish a new post, I will automatically have a tweet as well. Nice! Now I can find this Zap if I click the menu item Zaps on my Zapier dashboard, and I can turn it on and off or edit it if I need to. Right now you can only create one Zap per site. If you want to use Yoast SEO to output more than one Zap, you could create several draft Zaps and then switch between them by turning them on and off as needed. Okay, let me show you one more thing. If you go back to the integrations menu item in Yoast SEO and then click the Connect to Zapier button, you can check the status of your connection. You can easily visit your Zapier dashboard by clicking this button, and if you would like to reconnect with a different API key, you can reset your API key here. Good luck!